Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I wanted to show you a new travel journal and his features. The first spread is Contents page, with 15 clickable tabs for you to fill out. I already added the first content line. It will redirect you to the weekly view. I will tell you more about later in this video. The penguin stamp is on every spread and redirects you to the contents page. Let's write down something and add the second content line. Circle at the beginning is for page number. At the moment, each content tab have 2 pages, but you can add as much pages as you need. To do so, copy the page you want to add. Click on the plus sign and select Paste Copied Pages. Now I have 2 additional pages for the second category. Let's have a closer look at the Sentence a Day spread. This is basically a weekly view with sticky notes to write down date and what you saw or experienced that day. This also can be your weekly to-do list. Oh, and don't forget to write down to whom this journal belongs to. As bonus with this download, I'll include stickers to write down trip details. Those are PNG files on the transparent background. Link to this journal is in description. Thanks for watching.